Hi, everybody. Dr. Lonna, Bulletproof Babes, self-defense based on behavioral sciences. So a friend of mine was assaulted the other day on the street. She got punched in the face randomly by a stranger, no words exchanged. And even she said, hey, I forgot these three big concepts. And so I want to play them over for you because I don't want you to get into this situation. And so how it happened was she had just come out of church and she was walking to meet friends for lunch. And this is in a neighborhood in San Francisco. Let's just call it a very challenging neighborhood. I know I owned a business there for 21 years, and it's a neighborhood that has just like a lot of drama happening on the street. So she comes out of church and she's going across the intersection. Across the intersection, she can see two unhoused people. All their stuff was in a doorway, a man and a woman, and they were engaged in this big argument. Now, she stopped and thought, wow, I should really give this a lot of space, maybe cross the street. But another part of her said, you know what? I'm in this neighborhood all the time. I don't care. I'm just going to walk really quickly and they won't bother me. Well, what happened was when she got close enough to the woman locked eyes with her and bam, took out all her frustration, anger, whatever that was happening with that unhoused person. She just took it out and punched my friend in the face, not once, but twice. On the second punch, my friend hit the sidewalk. So here's the three big concepts I want you to know. When you see drama, you see something not right, don't walk through that. Give it a wide, wide margin. Second concept is always try to keep more than an arm length between you and the other person. Now, this is a real anomaly because it was a woman hitting another woman. Usually when these crimes play out, and I've seen and heard from my friends, a lot of them, mostly it's just some random guy who punches a woman on the street for no reason whatsoever. And you know what? Again, venting their frustration and anger, and they're cowardly, so they want to hit a woman so it decreases their chances of getting their butt kicked in return. The third thing is, this neighborhood, it's like your guard should never be down. If that was a tourist walking through the neighborhood, like they would have been on high alert. But because she's in that neighborhood all the time and she's used to seeing all the drama that plays out, it didn't really faze her. And let me tell you, that is one of the times that you are most vulnerable. Not when you're in a bad neighborhood, but when you're on autopilot, because it's a place that you've been to a million times. Maybe it's, the parking lot from, your car to that Starbucks that you get your coffee at every day. Because we're not thinking, we're not scanning around. We're just on autopilot because we do it 5 days a week, and you're not going to see that danger coming. So keep your distance from other people, stay away from drama, give it a wide margin, and don't tune out when you're in very familiar places. Hey, I hope that helps. I'm not selling anything, so please like and subscribe to my station so I can get the message out to more people. I'll see you soon.